Well, hi, I'm Laurie Kubiak. I'm the CEO of Nautech Electronics Limited. We're a smart factory, a high-tech manufacturer based in East Tamaki, Auckland. We do quite specialised stuff with high performance requirements, high quality requirements. Most of our products go overseas. We service the space industry, aeronautical. We do a lot of marine product. We do some automotive product. We do some defence work, quite a lot of industrial work. So it's a very broad spectrum that we service. What's Industry 4.0? For me, it's really about all the interconnectivity between systems and people, and extending further and further out into your supply chain and into your whole ecosystem. I think the key to it is using human intelligence where human intelligence makes the difference, and using machine intelligence where machine intelligence makes the difference, or if you will, digital intelligence, so that you're eliminating human error as much as you can and you're automating as much as you can. For me, that's the essence of Industry 4.0, and that's what we do here. That's what matters to us. A good example might be what we've done with our largest supplier of components that we use in production. So we've integrated backwards into their systems. So they suck up our entire forecast twice a week, and that goes back into their systems, and so that goes into their entire supply chain, so that all the components that we need for production at some future date are ready just in time, and that goes back through every link of the chain right to the factory of origin. We control about 13,500 individual stock lines at any given time. In a typical month, we would be scanning into our storeroom 250,000 individual components every month. The way that we do it is we have intelligent storage machines. So when components come in from the suppliers, we scan them into our system and we place them into our machines, and the machine takes over from there. So when you want a component, you scan in what you want, and the machine will spit it out, and it makes the adjustment in stock necessary to make sure you've got the correct stock levels. Internet of Things, so these are devices that measure things, that look at things, that sense things, and then talk to other devices that are doing the same thing. You're picking up the quality problems as they emerge, you're hitting all your efficiency levels, and a top quality product just emerges at the end of that process. For example, with some of our automatic or optical inspection machines, it's scanning every quadrant on the board and throwing up in any non-conformances that might be on the board. The machine will then send an alert to a human operator who'll come and look at that and say, actually it's out of tolerance, but it's okay, that's a pass. And so they do the ultimate pass and fail. The components have gotten smaller and smaller and smaller, so you can't actually see them without some heavy magnification. Then the time saving is just immense. I mean, it's so big that it's almost impossible to quantify. We're always looking for more tasks that we can automate in more ways. So if you look around the floor here, you'll see, for example, the collaborative robots, and we use those for repetitive tasks. So it's using the machines for what they're good at and using the people for what they're good at. We collect a lot of data here, and it's becoming more and more important for insights that we need to run the business, to make a difference to the products that we make for our customers as well. We've written our own traceability system, and this gives us the same level of traceability that they have in the food industry. So we can track each task on that product and who did it, what machine did it, with what result. And so again, if something's going wrong or if something's just going off course, we can spot it and we can go and intervene straight away. It's huge amounts of data and getting more and more useful to us. That sort of big data is going to continue to be a big story over the next decade or so. We've kind of had to do this to be able to play in those markets from New Zealand. But if we hit those efficiency levels, if we keep hitting those quality levels, we can sustain ourselves in those markets. And I think that's been the success of Nautech over 35 years now, that we've been able to build that and keep doing that. Start with automation. Look at what you're doing and look at what you can automate. That's the first piece of advice. The second piece is just take the first step. Get wet. And by doing that, you'll learn something and you'll be able to take the next step, and you'll be on the same journey that we've been on for all these years. So look at automation and just take the first step.